Okay, question 4, part B. The program needs editing to include a double entry check for the value input. State why this check needs to be included. So just coming back very quickly to part A. Part A was all about validation. Validation is setting up rules and making sure the data entered falls within those rules. We can't check whether the data is correct. We can only check that it falls in or meets the rules we set up. Part B is asking us for a double entry check, and we call this verification. Verification is where we actually check that the data that the users entered matches the original data that they wanted to enter. So we can either ask them to type it twice, so does the data match the original data, yes or no, or they can type it in and we can show it to them on the screen and say, look, is this the data that you wanted to enter? So let's go ahead and pop something in for that. So state why this check needs to be included. So this is verification, and we can check the data entered matches the original data. Right, let's have a quick look at the mark scheme. So they're accepting to verify the data or verification, so we have said that, and they've said to make sure that no changes are made to the data on entry, which is essentially what we've said as well. We can check the data entered matches the original data. That's in the same way of saying there are no changes. So we've actually put enough for 2 marks, but we've picked, sometimes it's worth just adding a little bit more anyway, just that adding a little bit more that's correct to be sure of those marks. I'm happy with that. I'll stop this one and then we'll do part 2 as a separate video.